Hello teacher, today I will talk about your favorite car. My favorite car is a Toyota Camry. It is a Sensai with foam seat, which is perfect for a family. My favorite color for this car is white because it looks very clear and elegant. It is a product for Toyota, a famous brand from Japan. I like this car for many reasons. First, it is very reliable and safe to drive. Second, the interior is very comfortable and sparkling. Finally, it saves fuel and spark, and so it is good for the environment. I hope to buy this car one day. Thank you for listening.